This is my version of the King Ranch chicken casserole. This classic dish has been around for years. The combination of cheese, chicken, corn tortillas, and a rich, creamy sauce creates a delicious comfort meal. Let me show you how to make it. In a large skillet, add butter and diced onion. Cook your onion until they're softened, then add in green chilies, a can of tomatoes with green chilies, and cream of chicken soup. Continue cooking until the sauce mixture is warm, and then you will add in pepper jack cheese until the cheese is melted. In a mixing bowl, mix shredded chicken with taco seasoning mix and chicken broth. Add the chicken to the sauce and mix well. Lay 6 corn tortillas in a greased 9x13 baking dish. Spread half of the chicken mixture on the tortillas. Top with 6 more corn tortillas. Top with the chicken mixture and set aside a small amount for a final thin layer. Most recipes add cheese at this point, but I added 6 more corn tortillas. This will help the casserole stay together when you cut it, and it will also add additional flavor. And then you're going to spread on that final thin layer of the chicken mixture. And then you're going to top it with shredded cheddar cheese. Baked covered at 350 degrees for 25 minutes. Then remove the foil and cook an additional 20 minutes. Allow it to rest for 10 minutes before serving. I know it's tempting with all that cheese to cut into it, but let it rest. This will allow it to firm up and hold together when you serve it. Top with your favorite toppings and you have a delicious dinner. For full recipe, hit the link in the description and visit aforkstail.com.